Hello and welcome. I have great news for you all. Well, OnePlus is getting back to the budget. They have just launched OnePlus NORD. It has a flagship camera with 48 megapixels main camera, where they have used the same hardware as OnePlus 8. It's got nightscape feature, so it's gonna give sharp, clear images. Interestingly, this is the first time OnePlus has brought dual selfie cameras. It has Oxygen OS, which is undoubtedly better than stock Android. It's with 90Hz AMOLED display, so imagine how smooth and clear screening it will give. It's with the processor Snapdragon 765G. That means it will give an exciting gaming experience. It's with 5G and faster download speed. Warp charge 30T. It means 70% charge in around 30 minutes. And most importantly, it's a budget phone. It will cost around 399 euros. So obviously it's a fine one. So let's get the details of it. It came with two colors. One is Grey Nyx, another one Blue Marble. It almost looks like Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Moreover, its edges seems like more curved than OnePlus 8 Pro. And for the first time, OnePlus is giving dual selfie camera. 6.4-inch display with 1080 pixels. It means full HD screen. Overall, it's looking so gorgeous and stylish. OnePlus NORD with 4 back cameras and 2 front cameras. Here you can see 4 back cameras. First one, 8 megapixel with 119-degree ultra wide angle. 48 megapixel main camera. It has the same hardware as OnePlus 8. And 5 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel macro camera. Here you can see some of its picture quality. This picture on nightscape mode. It's so clear and smooth. It's taking my eyes. Here is some more. Now let's talk about selfie cameras. It has two selfie camera. One is 8 megapixel with 105-degree ultra wide angle. Another on 32 megapixel. Here you can see some of the pictures. Check this front camera's video. It has 4K resolution and 60 frames per second. And you can see the output. It has 90Hz display. It means every 11 milliseconds it's going to update phone screen. That must give a smooth fast scrolling, clear image and better motion. It's with Oxygen OS. So there are going to be a lot of built-in apps, longer screenshot, different modes like gaming mode, reading mode, Zen mode, parallel apps and so on. NORD's display has 248 levels of automatic brightness that will give greater eye comfort. Now come to the processor. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. Its benchmark score is 3,20,314. Also, it has a 30T warp charge. This will give a fast charging experience. Moreover, it has 5G capabilities. Snapdragon 765G, Oxygen OS, 30T warp charge, 90Hz display, ultra wide angle selfie camera, 60 frames per second. Of course, it will give a flagship experience. As mentioned, OnePlus is getting back to the budget. 8GB RAM with 128GB storage is 399 euros. And 12GB RAM with 256GB storage is 499 euros. And for Asia and Europe, it will launch very fast. And for North America, it will take little time. That's all from us today. Thanks a lot.